Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see from the title below, it says that it's something related to NIO because I haven't really made up my mind on what to put in the title yet. But so if you guys don't know what NIO is, it's basically something like Tesla. It's like an electric vehicle company. It is an electrical vehicle company. And if you guys are wondering why would I talk about this stock all of a sudden, because it's been really in trend nowadays, and I thought why not, I would just hop along, you know. And if you guys don't already know, I own a couple of shares in this company, and I would like to provide my analysis and my opinions towards you guys, and strictly take this as an entertainment video because I'm just a 19-year-old kid. Alright, so with all of that being said, I'm gonna bring you guys into the laptop view so you guys can understand me a lot clearer and easier. But before we do that, since you guys are already here, please hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on the next video. And I would like to thank every one of you who clicked on this video. Let's just get right into the video. Hey guys, so I hope you guys can see my screen clearly and hear me clearly, because this is my first time recording a video on my laptop. So if I make any mistakes, I hope you guys really forgive me. So if you guys don't know what NIO is, it's right on my screen here. You guys can see that it's a electric vehicle company, and there's a couple of models. There's a couple of models of these cars from this company, and they really produce really good products, and they look like it's very luxurious to me. And as you guys can see, that why am I having this much of confidence in this company is because they even have their own app. So it's basically like Apple, they have their own ecosystem and everything like that, but it's actually a vehicle company, and that's why we can actually tell that this is the next best thing. It's actually just something like Tesla, but it's different type of electric vehicle company, and I'll show you guys why. So right here, I'm in this NIO's page right here. So I'm gonna scroll down and show you guys what's so different about NIO compared to Tesla. So they actually have this function of battery swapping, and it's not something that Tesla would have. And power is always 3 km away. They're planning to build a lot of recharging stations and this type of services for free, so it's normal. Yeah, so basically it's just like it having their own ecosystem. They will have a lot of their own service centers around China, and then they're gonna have battery swap, which is the most unique point of NIO. And that's basically the selling point of NIO though. So let's just move on to their earnings. Highlights of NIO's second quarter earnings report. So NIO's second quarter deliveries jumped 191% from the year ago period to 10,331 vehicles, a record. So right here that we can actually see NIO actually exceeded their own expectations in quarterly guidance in June 2020. NIO delivered around 3,740 vehicles in June 2020, setting a new monthly record. So it's actually achieving the milestones that Tesla's achieved in its second year. I read this somewhere else and I forgot where to actually show you guys the news. But yeah, just so you know that they are actually having a really great start of the year this year. And so I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about NIO's trading chart right here. So it's currently at around 13.36. So right here we can actually see that there are tons of comments about NIO's stock and where it's headed to in the future. So let's just click on this one. It has like 7 likes. So this guy must be pretty trusted or legit. So you guys can see the pattern going up here like that. So I'm just guessing that whatever he's doing right here is just based on his own technical analysis. Let's just see what he says. I know most of you probably disappointed that NIO didn't pop to $16 yesterday. Rumors have it that JPM are dumping the stock for the limit orders and or for their calls. Nevertheless, judging by their technicals, it looks like $16 jump is just around the corner. My guess is that it'll be $16 or more by the end of the week or next week. Steady hands, my friends, steady hands. Yes, I'm actually trusting this guy a lot because I feel like NIO has a really solid company foundation, and I'll show you guys why. So before I made this video, I was actually bullish at around 5 to 6%, and you guys can see that actually I bought it around $13.42, and I'm actually bearish for around 41 cents, but that's okay because I'm planning to hold it for the long term, and I'll show you guys why. There was once I was actually bullish for a couple of dollars, and it actually took a big dip yesterday, and it actually landed around $13.42 today, and I'm actually bearish again, but it's okay because patience is the key in investing. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me on this journey and tell you guys why I think NIO is worth the buy right now. Because Tesla at its second year, it is actually delivering as much as NIO, and it's because they only focus on China's market, and China has like a good billion of people. Let's just go ahead and see how many people are there in China. Right, 1.393 billion people. So let's just say 10% of the people buy, and it's gonna be like, I don't know, it's gonna be really a good future and a good start for this company. It's also planning to actually expand to other countries soon, and I think that it really would do well because as you guys can see that these vehicles are actually really unique looking, and I would say that I would buy them if they're in my country right now. So why would I buy them? Is because I feel like it's much more affordable compared to Tesla. Look at the Model X, it costs like 836,000 yuan. For NIO ES6 it's around 448,000 yuan. It's around $67,000 in the Chinese market, and it's basically the rival of the Tesla Model X. And if you guys don't know what NIO ES6 is, it's basically this model right here. You guys can see the specs right here. It's a 5-door SUV, and it looks pretty fresh to me. So all in all, I would actually invest in this company, and I'm planning to pick up more of these stocks. Right now I actually own around 5 to 6 of these stocks. And if you guys are wondering why am I talking about this company and while I actually invested so little amount of money into it, is because I'm just a student and I do not really have that much of money, but I'm actually planning to diversify my portfolio even further. That's why I put some into NIO, and I'm planning to buy more in the future. So as these guys have already said that $16 per share is around the corner, I'm really hoping for the best for this company. It really depends on how NIO handle their company. If they build a stronger foundation and everything like that, and they continue to stand out from Tesla, becoming different and unique. Just as I said, just China's market is already good enough, and it's already gonna make them a lot more. So let's just go ahead and see the fundamentals of this company. So the market cap is around 15.82 billion, and of course this company has not made a profit yet. It's a new company. It's only founded around 6 years ago, and it's only getting more and more in trend lately. So right now I think that it's still a good buy and hold it for the long term, because we're not talking about trading here, we're going to be talking about investing. So to the traders, I'm really sorry that I could not provide sufficient information in this video, but for the investors, I mean, you can buy and hold them for the long term, for like a year, 2 years, 3 years, or even more than that if you really want to. And that's what I'm planning to do. Basically, I'm actually planning to buy and hold it for long term, because I really think that this company is really solid, and it has a really solid start of the year. And as you guys can see, they've already exceeded their own quarterly expectations. So I can only imagine that this company is going to raise more awareness to their brand, and it's going to make even more sales in the future. And so yeah, if you guys are here to look for some great tips into investing, I mean, you can actually take my analysis or my point of view into your actions or considerations, because what I'm been talking about in these videos are actually long-term basis. So to those traders, once again, I'm very sorry to not be able to provide any information for you guys. So basically that's just it for NIO. I feel like this company has a really long way to go and to improve even more, because I really think that the future is going towards electric vehicle, and everyone would want to save the environment kind of mindset. So Tesla would be the first, and NIO would be the upcoming ones, despite that there are actually competitors in electrical vehicle market. But I think NIO is special on its own, especially the battery swap thing that I actually talked about earlier, because up to this point I still don't see any electrical vehicle company that does battery swaps. So I think NIO is gonna be really solid in the future. Basically, I know that I cannot provide solid point of view and analysis for you guys, and you guys must be roasting me in the comments saying that I'm a 19-year-old who knows nothing. But trust me, I've done a lot of research on this stock, and I might be having some brain lags during recording, so this is all just entertainment purposes. If you guys want to buy, you guys can go ahead and buy, but make sure to do your own research before even listening to me. So with all of that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and do the outro. So with all of that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys would not flame me for my own personal thoughts towards this company or my own analysis. And with all of that being said, I'm not any kind of financial advisor. I'm just here to make videos for fun, and I'm just a 19-year-old kid. Before you click away from this video, do remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on the next video. And I will see you in the next one.